My name is Pauls. I'm from Mikrotik Support. First of all, I would like to say thank you for coming to this event. This is the first time in Pakistan, so we hope you will like this event. Little introduction about Mikrotik. First of all, Mikrotik started as an internet service provider, and the establishment of Mikrotik was in 1996. After 1 year, we created our own routing software. It was called Routeros. It was in 1997, and the software came very popular. And after 5 years, we decided to make our own hardware, the Routerboard. In 2006, we made the first Mikrotik user meeting, and because many clients asked that they want to meet, share the experience, learn, and that's why we are making those MOM events. And the biggest MOM was last year in Indonesia. The total people were more than 2,600, so it was a really huge event. And currently we are more than 170 employees working at Mikrotik. So here you can see the map where Latvia is located. We are in Northern Europe, in Baltic states. So the country is quite small. And so far we have made more than 120 MOM events all around the world. So what Mikrotik do? Mikrotik makes networking equipment, starting from simple home office products to very complex enterprise solutions. And of course we have our own routing software. It's called Routeros. So Routeros is installed on every Routerboard hardware. Today at the MOM we are 3 people. Edmunds Aperans, he's the sales guy, and he is also responsible for training and academy. So if you have some questions about this, you can just find him. Also my colleague Martin Strods, he's from support, and also you can ask about some technical questions. And I'm also from support. Today's schedule, from 1:15 to 2:30, there will be a namaz break, and at 5 o'clock we will have a raffle. So, and you can also go to this MOM webpage and see the agenda. So there's listed all the presenters, and you can just check. Also there's near this room there's a coffee area, so feel free to go there. And if you have some colleagues, friends who wasn't able to come, you can send them this link, and they will be able to see the live streaming. And we would also like to say a special thank you for Dream Networks and Technology for helping us to make this MOM event. So thank you. About the Routeros. The Routeros is operating system which is installed on every routerboard hardware. The router's current 6th version is based on Linux kernel 3.3.5, but when the router's 7 will come out, it will be based on the latest Linux kernel. And the features of Routeros is not just Linux based, but we have also made our own features, and it has rich feature support in routing, firewall, queues, wireless hotspot, virtual private networks, and many more. So why you should choose us? Because currently there's millions of devices routing the world. We have 20 years of experience, and we have more than 40,000 Routeros certified network engineers all around the world. In last year alone, we had more than 3,000 training classes. We have a very wide network of certified consultants, and we are offering products starting from very simple home usage to really complex enterprise networks. And we also have very big documentation pages, like examples, manuals, notes, guides, and so on. So here you can see the map. These dots represent Mikrotik certified trainers. So there are trainers all around the world. Okay, let's see our product lines. We have the Ethernet routers. Here you can see the hex. There are 3 versions of hex. One is hex Lite with fast Ethernet ports, 100 megabits per second. You can configure each port as you like. You can power it from DC jack and also PoE in. And there's USB support. There is also a hex version, which has the gigabit ports, and hex PoE with 4 PoE out ports, so you can just power other devices using the Ethernet cable. These are more serious routers. These are 2011 and 3011. You can get those with the rack mount case and also desktop case. Both of these series has the SFP port, 10 Ethernet ports, PoE out on either 10, and touchscreen LCD, and also USB port. But the 3011 is the latest version. There's improved much faster CPU architecture. It's based on ARM dual core CPU, so you can get much higher throughput using the 3011. And there's also all ports are gigabit on 3011. And these are our fastest router boards. These are called Cloud Core Router series. So all these routers are equipped with high power multi-core networking CPUs. All models support hardware encryption. So if you want to use some secure tunnels, like for example IPsec, the performance with the hardware accelerated encryption will be much more better. And there's multiple models available. At the top you can see passive cooling device. So if you want a completely silent device without fans, you can choose passive cooling. There's a big heatsink at the back and it's completely silent. There's also a version with all SFP ports, version with SFP Plus and Ethernet ports, and down there you can see our most powerful device, and this is called CCR 1072. So it has 72 cores. Each port is SFP Plus, so 10 gigabits per second to port. Each port has a full duplex line to CPU, so it's completely independent. And the throughput of this device you can get to 80 gigabits per second. And we have tested this device with throughput of 120 million packets of second. So this is just incredible power. And all those models come with a touchscreen LCD, USB port, and also serial cable, serial connection. We have also wireless line for home and office. Here you can see our smallest router so far. This is just a tiny size. It has 2.4 gigahertz wireless with two wireless chains. And the CPU is 650 megahertz. And there's also a nice feature that there's a magnet inside of this router, so you can just simply attach it to some metal surface and use it as access point, use it as a client, or just use it as a repeater to extend your wireless coverage. Here you can see our hub light. This is also quite small device with a nice case. This model comes with two cases. One is vertical, so you can just put it on some table, and the other is Hub Classic with a horizontal case. And this device comes with a very low cost, approximately $21. And it has all the same features as in our other boards. So the same routers with same features. And this is our first dual band router. It has 2.4 gigahertz radio and also 5 gigahertz. And AC standard, so you can get really high throughput of this device. All Ethernet ports are gigabit, and there's also SFP port and USB. And you can attach one additional device and power it from the 5th Ethernet. There's a PoE out. We also have some industrial lines, industrial wireless systems. This is a very popular model. It's called Net Metal. It comes with a nice metal case. There are 4 different models available. All support gigabit Ethernet and also SFP port. There are models with two wireless chains and triple chain antennas. And the most powerful powerful device has 2 watts of each wireless chain. So this is a really powerful device. And all these models support 802.11 AC wireless standard. So for high data rates. These are small middle range wireless devices. The router is also inside this case. There is multiple modes available. You can get the CPE version or access point, and there's also different wireless beam widths. For point-to-point device, you can get 24-degree antenna, and if you want to use it as access point, you can get the sector version with 19-degree antenna. And there's also different models with 2 GHz radio, 5 GHz radio, and also the AC support. And these are comes with very low cost. If you want to do some very serious, create very serious point-to-point links, you can choose the Dynadish. These are designed to be used in a long-range point-to-point links. So these models support the AC standard, and there's dual chains, 2 chains. There's high dB 25, and the beam width is 8 degree, so it's perfect for long-range point-to-point link. And of course, the Ethernet is at gigabit speed. Mikrotik manufactures the switches. So here you can see our smallest switch. The case is really small and has nice design. This model has its own software, so it's not running the routers, but switchOS software. The switchOS software is a little bit lighter, but also supports all the switching features. And there's all ports are gigabit, and at the back you can plug the SFP. And also there's a PoE version with 5 PoE out ports. If you want to do some more serious routing and switching, you can choose the Cloud Router Switch series. These are all layer 3 switches. All are running Mikrotik routers, and there's different models available, starting from 8 to 24 Ethernet ports. All these Ethernet ports are gigabit. And there's also a version with SFP, SFP Plus, and if needed, you can also choose the wireless version. And all these models comes with the touchscreen LCD. Mikrotik also manufactures the router board, which is the only board. So if you want to create your own routing system, you can, for example, take some router board and build your own case, or just place it in your system. So these are designed for custom usage. And there's a lot of models available, so you can just choose based on ports, features, and speeds. This model is very popular. It's 911. and it has the AC standard and 2 wireless chains. The Ethernet port is 100 megabit per second, and the price is very low for this device. And also Mikrotik manufactures interfaces and other equipments for networking. For example, here you can see the SFP modules. You can get from 1.25 gigabits per second to 10 gigabits per second versions. There are single modes and multi-modes available for different distances, and also you can get the GPON version. You can get also the wireless cards. There are different models. There are wireless cards for mini PCI Express size slot, and also for mini PCI slot. And you can get 2 GHz versions, 5 GHz versions, starting from 1 chain to triple chain wireless cards. And there's are all kind of band support, A, B, G, N, and also AC wireless standard. You can also get the antennas. For example, here you can see the Mount 30. These are perfect for point-to-point links. And you can use your own wireless device. Simply attach your wireless device to this antenna. And there's also feature that you can do some really precise alignment. So this will help you to create a perfect angle to your point-to-point link. And all these models come with Router's software, and the Router's software includes lifetime free software upgrades. So whenever we make a new router software, you can simply update this device, and it will has all the latest features. And if you want to see these models, you can go just to routerboard.com webpage. Okay, we have also some new products available. Here you can see very light device. This is designed to be used in point-to-point links. It has a 24.5 dBi antenna, and the router is built inside this case. So you get not only antenna, but antenna with the router board. And it has 802.11 AN wireless standard and 2 chains. And the best thing is that this model comes with a very low price. And as you can see, the router is inside this case, and you can just hide the Ethernet cable through one of these legs. There's also included the mounting ring, so you can attach it to some tower and do some little alignment. But if you want to do some serious alignment, you can get the quick mount for LHG. So this quick mount will allow you to do alignment 70 degrees horizontal and 30 degrees vertical. And it comes with a very low cost, $9.5. This is our updated Grow version. It supports 2 wireless bands, so you can choose if you want to use 5 gigahertz or 2 gigahertz wireless. Um, it's completely waterproof, so you can just mount it outside. It will work perfectly. And this model supports also the AC standard at 5 gigahertz, and there's a gigabit Ethernet. And there are 2 versions available. One is for CPE usage, so you can use it to connect one device. This costs $79. And if you want to use it as access point, you can get the AP version. And the AP version costs $99, so you can just connect multiple clients. Here you can see we have also updated our metal, RB metal. This is a really popular device. It has much higher wireless output power. It's 1.3 watts of wireless transmit power, and this model also supports AC standard, and the case actually works like heatsink. So it's made from metal, and because the output power is so big, we had to make this metal case. So this is not only looks good, but it also works as a heatsink. This is a WAP AC. You all received the regular WAP, but this is a dual band router. So it supports 2.4 gigahertz and also 5 gigahertz radio. And you can attach it to the ceiling or to the wall. So there's everything included to be mounted. Hop AC. So this is our dual band model. It has 3 chains in 2 gigahertz and also 3 chains in 5 gigahertz wireless. So all the ports are gigabit. There's the SFP cage and USB. Also PoE out on either 5, and it has really high power CPU. It's 620 megahertz. This is a replacement of our previous card, R52H. So now this card supports 2 wireless chains, so you can get much better speeds. And the TX power, transmit power, is 26 dBm. And this is 911 Lite 5 AC, a very low cost device. It has powerful wireless, supports 802.11 wireless standard. So this is also a very popular model. The Hex PoE. This model is not released yet, but we will release it soon. There's all Ethernet ports are gigabit, and from 2 to 5 Ethernet port there's PoE out. So it should be available very soon. Here you can see the update of our Omnitech Routerboard. There's 2 versions available, regular Omnitech and the PoE version. Both supports AC wireless standard. All the ports are gigabit. The antenna DBI is 7.5, and there's Omni antenna, so you can just connect it to all angles. and the PoE out version has 4 PoE ports, and also you can power it from the PoE in. So you can just attach it to some tower, for example, and connect 4 other sector antennas and power them from the PoE ports. We have made also the cloud hosted router, and this cloud hosted router is designed to be used in virtual environments. So it supports most of the virtual machines and also most of the cloud services like Amazon, Azure, and others. So why would you need this cloud hosted router? Because you can use it as a firewall to your cloud services. You can make virtual private networks to your cloud. You can also install DoD monitoring server on it, and you can also use it for learning and simulating network. So before you use real equipment, you can just test your setup on virtual machine. So this is the best way how you can check your network configuration. And there are 4 versions available. The free version, which is only limited by the interface speed. There's 1 megabit version. If you want to upgrade, you can get 1 gigabit version, 10 gigabit version, and also unlimited version. And you can also get 60-day trial version, so with the unlimited speed, and then you can decide if you need it or not need. And the best thing is that the license can be transferred to any other virtual machine. So if you accidentally delete your cloud hosted router, or you want to move it to other place, you can just transfer. The license is also lifetime. If you want to get some additional information about this, you can go to our manual page. There's a section for cloud hosted router, and you can also download it from our download page. We are constantly developing our router software, so we are adding new features, releasing new versions, and the last router's version 6.35 came out with 181 line of changes. So there were a lot of improvements, and the biggest one was wireless repeater package. So what does this package does? It allows you to use one physical wireless interface to create multiple access points, and also at the same time multiple clients. So you can just take the wireless, for example, from this hotel and create your own access point, and with completely different SSID. So you can also set it to work as a repeater, and this is how you can extend your wireless. Also, you can get the wireless, connect to some access point, and repeat it further away. And also, this package allows you to do wireless scans without disconnecting your wireless link. And there's also improved drivers. So we suggest you to use this package. And it can be installed, just upgrade to 6.35 Router's version or latest, and just upload the wireless repeater package. After reboot, the package will be installed. If you need help, first you should ask your local distributor. If the distributor can't help you to answer your questions, you can write to support@mikrotik.com. You can also take a look at our wiki manual page. You can ask in the forum. There's very smart people. Hopefully they will help you. And you can also hire a consultant. Or you can attend training classes and get a certificate. So that's it about the software and hardware. Let's see how what are the possibilities by cooperating with Mikrotik, and what benefits can you get from this. First of all, you can use your knowledge. You can become a consultant and provide consulting services. And you can also become a trainer. A trainer teaches and certifies the students. If you want to sell products, you can become a distributor. So distributor offers products and services, and you can also become a reseller. And reseller buys from distributor and sells these products further to the end users. And you can also create your own products who are somehow related to Mikrotik. And this is called Made for Mikrotik. So let's take a look at each of these possibilities. So what is consultant? Consultant is an experienced network engineer with very good knowledge in routers and routerboard hardware. If you want to become a consultant, first you should get the MTCNA certificate, which is the basic certificate in Mikrotik certification levels. And you should also get one of additional engineer level certificate. And you can choose from routing engineer, wireless engineer, user management engineer, traffic control engineer, and also inter-networking engineer. And the score should be more than 75%. If you already have these two certificates, you can write to sales@mikrotik.com, add some description, write your specialty, where you are good at. For example, if you are expert in some specific routing, then you just mention it. And then we will list you at our consultant page. So you can find this page at mikrotik.com support section, and then just click on consultants. So when our clients writes us and asks, well, I need help, I'm in Pakistan, then we can just tell them choose one of the consultants. If you are a consultant, you can later become a trainer and teach the students. So how you can become a trainer? first of all, you should also get the MTCNA certificate and one additional certificate with more than 75%. And you should pass the Train the Trainer course. This course is made by Mikrotik, and in this course you should give 1 hour lecture, so we can see how you interact with the public, how you speak, and how you teach. And if you pass the test, then you get the trainer certificate. And usually there are 2 Train the Trainer courses. One is in United States and other is in Europe. But this year, from October 18 to 20 of October, there will be a 3-day Train the Trainer course in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So when you get the certificate, you can develop your own courses, which are made according to official Mikrotik training outline. We will offer you your students with the certification tests, and this will be done over the web page. And we will also publish your training schedule on our website. So those who want to get certificate in your local area will be able to find your courses in our page. So, and you can teach any of these certificate courses, and you can also get all the certificates and teach everything. So, and for more information, you can go just to mikrotik.com/training webpage. So, if you are a consultant, you can provide consulting services to the end users, and you can also become a trainer. When you are a trainer and consultant, we call you a training center. And now all the clients who came to you for consulting services, now they come to you to get the certificate. And you can also train some academic personnel who can later teach their students the MTCNA course. And this is called the Mikrotik Academy. And since they can teach only MTCNA course, later these students will come back to you to get some additional level certificate. Okay, if you want to become a distributor, first of all, you or some of your employee should have one certificate. You should also have a web page and some volumes, purchase volumes. You have to buy each year. If you have questions about distribution, today you can ask Mr. Edmunds. He's now at the registration table. And you can also write to sales@mikrotik.com, so they will answer to your questions. So if you are a distributor, you can buy directly from Mikrotik, and that's how you get the best prices. Later you can sell those products to reseller, and the reseller can sell it to the end users. But the distributor can also do the same and offer the products to the end users. And of course you can also provide training services. So you are a distributor, training center, and the consultant. And of course you can do the previous steps we discussed. So if you are a distributor, why would you need to learn? Because if you can provide better support to your clients, the clients will be happier, and if they are satisfied with the service you provide, the sales will be also better. And the last section is made for Mikrotik. So if you want to make your own products who is somehow related to Mikrotik, you can make accessories, you can make integrated products, for example, to use Mikrotik products in your own system, networking system. You can make your own software who interacts with the routers, for example with AP. You can create CPE, which is, for example, cases for wireless products. And you can also write books about the routers. And for additional information, you can go to Made for Mikrotik webpage. So you will find this under Home, and there's section Made for Mikrotik. And there you can see all the products who are made to be used with Mikrotik. And how to apply? First you should write a description about your product. You should attach the picture and also send us your homepage. And write this to sales@mikrotik.com. So then we will list your products to our web page, so people can find your products. And there's also possibility to become a Mikrotik Academy. Mikrotik Academy is an educational institution like university, technical school, college, vocational school, or other educational institution which provides semester time-based internet networking courses for the students. And as a learning tool, using Mikrotik Routerboard software. So this is a free way how you can provide networking courses in your school. So this includes the certification for the students. The course is based on MTCNA outline and taught by academy trainers. And also this includes free MTCNA exam for the students. And the MTCNA covers most of the basic and important networking topics. First of all, there's routers introduction about routers itself and how to use it. And then there's topics about firewall, queues, network management, wireless, bridging, routing, and also tunnels. So this is a great way how you can provide networking courses. So and Mikrotik will offer you the training outlines, all the MTCNA materials. We will also provide you with 20 router boards, completely free, MTCNA certificates, and Routerboard Level 4 licenses for students, and also Academy Trainer t-shirts. So how how to become academy. First of all, you should fill out the application in mikrotikacademy.com. Then you should sign Mikrotik Academy agreement and attend preparatory training, which is done by our partners. And you should also pass the MTCNA course and one engineer level certificate with the result more than 75%. And also Mikrotik offers 75% compensation to the training centers for teaching academy staff. So this is benefit also for the trainers and for academy personnel. And usually this is not obligated, but usually the training centers provide 25% discount for these training courses. So this means that you can teach the academy staff for completely free. And for more information, you can go to this mikrotikacademy.com page, and you can also write your questions to training@mikrotik.com. And currently there are more than 200 Mikrotik academies all around the world, and more than 350 academy trainers. So that's it about academy. After the MOM, all the presentation slides will be uploaded to mom.mikrotik.com. So you can just look at these presentation slides. The videos will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. And for those who paid, the license will be emailed after the MOM. So thank you very much for listening. If you will have some more questions, you can just come to our registration table and feel free to ask. Thank you. So are you ready for presentation?